Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Sri Lankan beef curry. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds of beef stew meat cut into 1-inch cubes. For the aromatic base, prepare fresh ginger, garlic, and onions. Essential spices include Sri Lankan curry powder, black pepper, and cayenne pepper, along with fresh curry leaves. Don't forget coconut oil for cooking, rich coconut milk for creaminess, and a touch of white vinegar for balance. Now let's get the beef ready and prepare our aromatics. Begin by marinating your beef cubes with Sri Lankan curry powder, salt, black pepper, and a splash of white vinegar. Let this sit for at least 1 hour or even overnight for deeper flavor. While the beef marinates, finely chop 1 medium onion, about 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, and 1.5 tablespoons of fresh ginger. Also, slice 2 green chilies and have 8 to 10 fresh curry leaves ready, along with whole spices like cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. With our ingredients prepped, it's time to build the curry's rich flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Sauté the chopped onions, garlic, ginger, curry leaves, and green chilies until they become fragrant and the onions are translucent. Next, stir in the Sri Lankan curry powder and other ground spices, cooking for just a few seconds until aromatic. Then, add your marinated beef, searing it for about 15 to 20 minutes to develop a lovely caramelization. Now for the final stage, simmering to perfection. Pour in 1 cup of water and bring the curry to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until the beef is wonderfully tender. Stir occasionally, adding a little more water if needed. Finally, incorporate 1/2 to 1 cup of rich coconut milk and heat it through. Taste and adjust the salt as desired. Serve your authentic Sri Lankan beef curry hot with rice or crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.